Ay!
That's a baby boy. Who will be the strict parent? Who will be the cool parent? Who will wake up at night when the baby cries? Both of them. Who will change diapers more often? Sa gabi